All right, guys, I'm going to help you with number 8 and number 9. You're selling phone cases. You earn 30% of sales plus $50 per week. So I know that if I don't sell anything, I still get that $50. So I'm going to put that in first. So at 0 sales, I get 50. And then it says I get 30% of whatever I do sell. So if I sell $25, 30% is the same thing as 0.30, which is the same thing as 30 over 100, because percent means per 100. It means 30 per every 100. And so as decimal form, that would be 0.3. So I would multiply 25 bucks times 0.3, which is equal to $7.50. You can use calculators on this unit. So if I sell 25, that would be $7.50, but I need to add that to the $50 I already get. So that would be 57.5. Then if I did $50 a week, 50 times 0.3 would be 15. But I don't want to put 15 here. I want to still add in the $50 I get every week. So that would be 65. If I continue on, if I sell $75, should be 72.5. And then if I sell 100, it will be 80. So let's graph this. What should I skip by on my X values for my sales? First, I want to make sure that I label it sales on my graph. So at the bottom here, I will label sales. I'll go ahead and put the origin, which is 0, 0. And then let's check it out. I think I'll skip by 25 on my X values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have my text box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how to make the font smaller, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll make that my 100. And then for my Y values, I go from 50 to 80. So I can skip by 25 on my Y values too. I think that would work. I'll skip by 25. Or maybe I'll skip by 20, because it goes up to 80. All right, so 1, 2, let me get my text box ready. 1, 2, I'll do 20. 1, 2, doesn't have to be perfect. 1, 2. And my first point will be 0, 0. I'll go ahead and put, oh, sorry, that's not true. My first point is 50. When X is 0, Y is 50. So my first point should be right around here. When X is 0, Y is 50. Second point looks like when X is 25, Y is 57.5. So when X is 25, Y is 57.5. And then when X is 50, Y is 65. So I'm going to find 50, Y is 65. And then when X is 75, if I sell 75, I get to take home 72.5 take home pay. 75, 72.5. So that's how you graph it. Let's talk about the equation. You don't have to connect the line. It's fine. It's not going to be perfect because it's hard. It's hard to make the spacing perfect. So don't go crazy about it. Let's talk about the equation. Which equation would it be? I know that I'm doing 0.3 times X, which is my sales. So it has to have something that has 30 hundredths times X. And then I know I get $50 per week. So this looks close because I get $50 a week, but this is not 0.3. This is not 30% times X. This is actually $30 times X. So that one is not correct. But this one right here looks like it says 0.3 times whatever X is, 30 hundredths times whatever X is, my sales. But then I also get my $50 if I don't sell anything. So it looks like that's the correct equation. So it sounds like Y will be equal to 0.30x plus the $50 I get every week.